Hey, I thought we were going shopping.
Oh, we are. I'm just planning on what I need to get at the store to make for meals for next week.
I'm just gonna walk around and see what catches my eye. If it looks good, it's going in the cart.
Okay, I'm finished. Let's go. Wow, you really took your time in there, huh?
Well, I didn't want to miss anything. I walked up and down every aisle twice.
Looks like you got a lot of snacks, bud.
It all just looks so good. What did you get?
Well, I got a little bit of everything. I got some fruits, some chicken breast, some rice, some vegetable oil, and some spices. And I got a bag of lime chips because I couldn't resist.
Well, I'm starving. Let's go home.
Oh, you're right.
Hey, what's cooking? Good looking?
Just this beautiful piece of chicken that I'm gonna cook up and put in my stir fry.
Looks delish.
Thank you. What about you? What are you cooking up tonight?
I don't know. Let's see what I can throw together. I'm gonna see what else we have in the freezer. Hold on. Dino nugs with a side of chips.
Right.
Okay, you were right. I should have planned out my meal before going to the store. How would I even start doing that?
Oh, well, I actually met with a McKinley dietitian who gave me a meal prepping plan sheet to use. It ensures me that all of my meals are well balanced, and it's not just the first things I see in the store.
But doesn't buying all of that make your total purchase more expensive?
Well, no. I mean, how much did you spend today?
$126.
See, I only spent like $80. When you know exactly what you need and you plan ahead for it, you spend a lot less money.
Wow.
Since I planned my meals ahead, I saved time in the store, I saved money, and I only bought things that I'm actually going to use. Plus, I don't end up buying produce that I'm not going to use and it goes to waste.
Wow, I definitely really need to start planning out my meals before shopping.
Yes, you do, sir. Oh, also, if you're looking for ways to find new recipes or switch up whatever you're eating now, you can use McKinley's YouTube video, Kill Yes, for a series on college meal prepping.
Wow, I'll go subscribe right now. Thanks for the tips.
Anytime, buddy. Oh, also, I'm making a little extra stir fry if you want some.
Yes.
Should I whip you up a plate?
Yes, please. Thank you so much. You're too kind.
Anytime, bud.